guys, it is Lakadak over here, and today I am showing you my very first tutorial on this channel, and it's going to be a very quick and simple one. I've got a couple of questions from the subscribers, and it is, how do you make a custom thumbnail this simple and easy? As you can see, I made a new one. Has the needle in the middle, the text is pretty colorful. I used that black and green theme, and then the logo was white. It added a couple white text, and it all looked nice. And even all my thumbnails are edited. Well, besides this one, but all of them are custom, and they look pretty nice. Like you'd look at it and be like, "Wow, this guy actually bothered to look at his thumbnails and made an effort to make them." Also, thumbnails are a good way to help build up your channel. It attracts the viewers. It gets their eyes right on it. You want to create something that's gonna basically explain what the whole video is about without having to click on the video. And I use this pretty website. It's called panzoid.com, and it's made by this guy who has a couple of tools. One of them is called Backgrounder. And what you could do is there's templates, text, images that you could use for yourself. Like if you have a Minecraft channel, you could do that stuff. You could edit the text, move it around all you want, all the pictures. It's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and start from scratch. Right now, I want to go to basics first and then click type YouTube thumbnail. These are also all the types that you could do. As you can see, you have Twitter, Facebook cover photo, channel avatar, thumbnail, whatever. Click that. Then I want to go layer 1 and upload the image. This is going to be the main background. Since I'm making a blue theme, it's going to be fill, so you don't want the image repeating, and then you want to click on text plus images. This is where you add your text. Right now I'm going to add sneak peek. Let me I don't, is that how you spell sneak? Sneak peek? Sneak peek? I don't know. Snake peek. Sneak peek. There you go. Um and I use this text font. It is called CS. It's pretty cool. I like it. And then I usually change my font size to 150 to make it pretty readable. There's a color slider that you can mess around with. You basically click anywhere, you have a certain color that you can change it to. Make mine blue, but very light blue. Bam. And then have in the middle be white. There we go. We have this effect right here. I'll put it on the top for now. And then you click the image button and you click over here on it. File, select. This is where you want to add in your first images. So I have an Italy right here. I will put her at the very bottom left. And then I'm gonna add another picture, and that's gonna be my Malphite. Oh, I clicked on the same one, my bad. You're gonna add another sprite, and then select your image from there. Let's add that Italy again, and there we go. So I'm gonna add a fourth one, and eventually a fifth one. And this one is gonna be for the Rocket League. And I'm gonna add another one. This is gonna be for the Rocket League symbol, and that's gonna be right here. And then I'm gonna add another one and another one. Put it for the League of Legends, and then I like to scale the size to twice for this, so it could be pretty huge. I will put it in the middle because that's what the video is focused on. It's about League of Legends and Rocket League. So I have the League of Legends in the middle. I'm gonna put the text right under it. I'll put the car at the top, Rocket League above it. Here we have our thumbnail. There's also some image shadows and stuff. You could play around with it. Now to save this image, you download your background from here. Or it starts rendering it. You download it, and then you go on your YouTube, custom thumbnail, backgrounder. Bam, you have it. Put tags. And then edit a couple of stuff out if you want. And then that's it, I'm done. You gotta make sure it's clicked, or at least there's a red border on it. That means it's applied. And then you just click Save Changes, and then you just go right here. Make sure it's saved. First of all, you gotta like your video. I mean, who doesn't do that? Like the fuck, come on, man. And then you gotta click on Lock-A-Dock. It shows you that it's not there. You gotta give it a couple of seconds. Here you go. You have your little thumbnail that you made. It looks pretty good. Everyone's gonna be like, wow, this has Rocket League, League of Legends, what the fuck is this about? Bam, clicks on it. You got yourself a viewer. Even if they don't like the fucking video, they're gonna dislike it, or they're just gonna leave. They got you the viewer, and you're gonna get your fucking money. That's how you got a nice tutorial. Subscribe to my shit, guys. Alright, thanks.